Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy, the High Indian. Today, I'm starting a video series on basically crypto one-on-one, NFTs, play-to-earn gaming, everything that you need to know about DeFi and Web3 going into the future. Because I feel like there's so many people that want to get involved. I've been on TikTok lately, and it has been popping, and I've just been getting so many requests from people that want to get involved in this space but just don't know how. And like, I see a lot of courses, like I'll be browsing through Instagram or even on my YouTube ads, like people will go out there and try to charge people 40, 50, $100 a month to learn what should be free. You heard that. It's like here. So just so I can, it needs to be free. Free. Like, I can't stress that enough. The best information in life is usually always free. If you're out there paying for some course, man, I sure hope that they are giving you value for your money. Because what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to show you how to get rich. I'm not going to show you what coins to buy. I'm not going to show you what NFTs to buy. I will show you what I'm personally doing and what I'm purchasing and tutorials on everything. But really, this is a channel so that way I can show you how to get started and end up where I'm at, and even further. You can go beyond me, and that's the thing about crypto. If you want to do something, you can just make it happen like that. 3 months ago, not even 3 months ago, 4 or 5 months ago, I just recently graduated college. I got a degree in criminal justice. That they didn't teach me anything about computers. You don't need to know anything about computers. Most of the stuff you can just do on your phone. I do recommend having like a decent laptop or something because it's just better. I have a PC and I have a whole setup, but that's all just for streaming and YouTube and all the editing that I do. So none of that is necessary. And you could start off with as little as you want. Like, people think that you have to have thousands, but no, to get involved into this space, you really just need to be passionate and going about wanting to learn and seeing where the future is headed. Because blockchain technology, crypto, is more than just, like a stock, buying one and waiting for it to go up and then selling it. No, this is an actual technology that's going to integrate into everything we know going towards the future. So for the first video, I'm just going to show y'all something basic: how to buy crypto. And that's going to be it. Like, how to get yourself on exchange. A lot of y'all might already know how to do this, but these are for the people that are 9 to 5 blue collar workers, 8-year-olds, 80-year-olds that just want to learn how to do this and just haven't been given a proper guide on how to do this. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is ever financial advice. This is just me trying to teach people and not have them pay money for it. Alright, let's dive right into it. The first thing you're going to need is an exchange where you can buy cryptocurrency. I have 3 or 4 that I'd recommend depending on the area that you live. In the United States, it's different everywhere that you live, so hopefully the ones that I recommend are available to you, and I do prefer using Coinbase and Kucoin. So those are 2 that you want to make sure that you have accounts in if possible, but I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. So this is Binance. If I could use Binance, I would, but it is illegal in Texas, so there is nothing that I can do with this. The second is crypto.com. I don't think they have a feature on the computer, so you can always use this on your phone. I have an account, and I'll make sure that I leave a referral that you can use, and I believe that we will both be able to earn some type of rewards. The next is Kucoin, which is basically like an exchange, and this is where I basically buy a lot of different cryptocurrencies and move them around. So I'm going to leave a referral link for that in the description below as well if you want to open up an account on it here. You have a main account, and that's, okay, so the thing about Kucoin is, like, over here in the States where I stay, I cannot purchase cryptocurrency with a debit card on here, but I can trade cryptocurrency. So I use this as a trading account, but I do not purchase cryptocurrency here. What I'll do is I'll purchase cryptocurrency on Coinbase, and then I'll transfer USDT Tether, this one right here, over to Kucoin. And with that, I'll be able to go over to their trading. And this, if you're in wrong one, if you are familiar with stocks, then you will be more familiar with this right here. If this is what you want to do, then this is a place that you can do it. This is where you can do futures and stuff like that. I don't personally do that. This is where I just buy cryptocurrencies that I need, move them around, or just hold them. But yeah, and then you can also buy on crypto.com. It has many of the coins that I purchase and move around. But yeah, crypto.com is my main exchange, if you will, where I trade different cryptocurrencies. And Coinbase is where I make my purchases and where I cash out, because as long as you, like, let's say you open up a Coinbase account, and I am going to leave this referral link in the description below. Make sure you use that if you haven't opened up an account yet. The good thing about Coinbase is they actually offer you free cryptocurrency. And I'm not sponsored by them. I totally wish I was. But what you do is you just watch these videos and do the questions, and you'll earn just a little bit. It's not a lot, but with cryptocurrency, the value of it can go up or down. So this is just a way to get some free cryptocurrency once you've opened up an account. And then also just learn to earn. They have a lot of different learn videos, and this is all on mobile. Remember, I actually don't really use Coinbase on the computer. I'm just doing this so I can make my videos. But yeah, the app is pretty good on mobile, iOS or Android. It's kind of laggy on iOS sometimes, but you learn to deal with it because it's a big dog. Like in the United States, I'm pretty sure Coinbase might be one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges. But that's not all. So the thing I recommend, and the only time that I leave my cryptocurrency on exchanges like Coinbase or Kucoin is if I'm holding it. But other than that, I try to get my money off these exchanges as soon as possible, because there's a world out there outside of the exchanges called dApps, decentralized apps, and I'm going to talk about that in my next video. But that was it for today's video. You now know how to purchase cryptocurrencies, and let me go over some that you could purchase. If you are too scared to jump in, and you don't want to buy something that's volatile, you could always go for a stable coin. You could buy Tether, which stays at $1, USD coin that stays at $1, and one of my favorites that is a stable coin, USDT, and that is Terra Luna's USDT right here. Am I spelling this wrong? There it is. UST. I'm sorry, so many different US's, but this is Terra Luna's stablecoin. So every single network, if you will, or blockchain, because there are different blockchains, like Ethereum has their own mainnet, Cosmos has their own mainnet, Cardano has their own, Polygon has their own. So they're like these bigger networks, and they have their own stablecoin. So Tether is the stablecoin that's for Ethereum. UST, the one that I showed y'all, is for Luna, Luna. I really like Luna right now. So into the next one, like jumping into the ones that are actual protocols themselves. Like Luna is a good one. It's at $90 right now. AVAX, another good one, $113. They're kind of leading the helm for play to earn gaming. Polygon, another good one, $2.72. Cardano, $151. Now, my favorite one out of all these protocols is actually not on Coinbase. You can buy it on Kucoin. It's called Harmony 1, and let me see if I can find it. The ticker for it is 1. That one right there. So Harmony 1, and Crypto.com has it as well. So Harmony 1 is another protocol, and this is where I play DeFi Kingdoms, a play-to-earn game. But let me see if I can actually find the price for it, so that way it looks a little better. Okay, yeah, it's 25 cents right now, but this is an application, or this is a protocol where you can build a platform on it. And what I mean by that is you can build a video game, you could build NFTs, you could build like a financial borrowing lending protocol, which I'm going to talk about in future videos. But the point of investing in these is you take your crypto to a further level. Instead of just buying it, waiting for it to go up, and then selling it you are able to use the apps that are being built on these protocols. And I know it might seem a lot to understand right now, but this is just a beginner's video, and so I think I covered what I need to for just part one. Stay tuned for part two, where I talk to you about getting your crypto off an exchange and actually doing something with it. I hope y'all enjoy the content. Please let me know if you have any questions along the way. I'll try to answer them in the videos as I make them. Other than that, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I will catch y'all later.